So the first one is really recognizing the mixed workload capabilities, orders of magnitude between the traditional enterprise data warehouses, but we've had for nearly a decade now, these good analytic database technologies, from the appliances to the columnars, MPPs in a box, you named it. Then new on the scene, of course, is the key value stores, primarily Hadoop, which we see as really a without context and being more discovery oriented. So the nice things about Hadoop, and the big draw to it, of course, is you've got the highest amount of scalability, the lowest cost factor with commodity hardware and, if you will, open source software, schemaless, meaning without context. So it allows for the best discovery kind of environment. Programmatically, this is how you work with accessing the data. It has complete flexibility, but as a maturity level, it's also an emerging kind of category, only having been around 5 years or less in its adoption. The analytic databases, of course, they're much more accepted today. They're also been around at least a decade or so. They're optimized in their storage persistence layer to be built to do analytics. We know that the OLTP world, and we criticized that for many decades, was not geared towards the types of workloads we wanted to do in analytics. So that kind of gave birth to a lot of the analytic appliances that we have today. So we see this distribution of data within the enterprise from enterprise warehouse, primarily reference data management. The EDWs do great at that kind of work. It's a very mature technology. How we want to work with that is multiple sets of types of analytics. And that's kind of the third tier, if you will.